And welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this video we will be having a look at a smooth and relative easy way to get into off-grid living. For this project we used a mobile home. Despite the name, it's not really mobile compared to its smaller brother, the caravan. However, it is possible to be moved by tractor, truck or special transport. There is a small garden around the mobile home with a growing patch for vegetables and a few holunder trees. Next to it, we have 5 solar panels to provide electricity. The surrounding is a small forest on the one side and open grassland on the other side. As this will be parked in the same place for a while, it was important to have a solid foundation underneath. The tires and support in each of the corners provide stability. We also used additional jacks on all support points for further stability. The sides were covered with metal plates in order to stop the air movement under the mobile home to increase the insulation, especially for the winter months. On the side view you can see also added a chimney to run a wood stove for the heating. It is nicely located far enough from the next village to enjoy nature and tranquility, but still have the next supermarket within a 5-minute drive. With about 36 square meters of space, it provides decent amount of room. That is about 390 square feet. I will show you guys the inside to give a good overview how the rooms are situated. First room after the entry is the tech room. Here we have the wood stove and the electric system. Next is the kitchen to the left and the bathroom to the right. Now we enter the living room. It is comfortably spaced and has a lot of window space that allow the view of the surrounding nature. On the left you can see the gas central heating and above it the built-in radio system. Around the room there is plenty of electric plugs. We have an entertainment system for watching TV, movies or DVDs. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Unfortunately, currently there is no mirror installed and some small repairs are happening, so it does not look very polished. Please be gentle with your judgment. Overall efficient on space, it has room to provide everything a bathroom needs. There is a normal sized sink and we do have a shower that comes with a sitting option. To vent moisture, we have skylights installed. Passing the tech room along the hallway, our next look is into the storage room. Here we have closets and storage options for clothing or other essential things of life. It's not massive in size, but suits the designation quite well. On the lower left side we are storing the butane gas bottle for the gas system. More on that later. A small mirror is installed in the corner. Up next, the toilet with a proper ceramic throne. Again, not the biggest room, but quite suitable and efficient. We have a basic sink, a mirror and some storage options. For venting, there is a small window. Last but not least, the sleeping area. Here we have a comfortable sized room with double the amount of isolation. Some closets for storage options and a mirror have been put in to create a smooth usability. In the big closet we have a board to slide out an entertainment system. Currently, this old school TV. It's a nice feature to watch some movies from the bed. Now that we have the basic layout covered, let's get into the technical details. We will start with the heating, followed by the electric and water system, and work through each step by step. Living in the mountains where the winter can be minus 20 degrees Celsius, heating is a major aspect of living comfortable. Redundancy is a very important thought behind the system used in this project. For our project we have 3 types of heating setup. A 4 kilowatt stove to burn locally produced wood or coal. This is the most common solution for heating. Cheap and easy to use. The wood can be sourced locally and is very efficient. For long winter nights, however, wood will not provide enough energy over time. Coal briquettes are a suitable addition there. The second option is a gas central heating. This 8 kilowatt heating can burn butane, octane, methane and such gases. If people have a biogas system running, biogas can be used to fuel such a gas central heating. To deploy the heat evenly amongst all the rooms, there's two powerful 25-watt fans that push the hot air through isolated tubing right into the rooms. This is a very comfortable and reliable way to keep everything warm over prolonged periods of time. The third heating option is electric. All the rooms have electric heating panels installed in the ceiling, except for the bathroom. There the heating panel is placed on the wall side. While the sun is feeding the solar panels, this is a good way to use excessive energy after the battery is full. Speaking of battery, what a great transition to our next main topic, the electric system. The specs are 1400 watt of solar panels, an off-grid island inverter that provides 2400 watt pure sine wave power, and a 360 ampere hour depp-cycle battery. The off-grid inverter also houses a 60 ampere solar charge controller and a 30 ampere AC to DC battery charger. This means you can connect a generator or grid power straight to the inverter. There is various options to configure the device via USB how to handle the load. As fuses, we have a 150 ampere DC fuse from the off-grid inverter to the battery. Two 25 ampere AC-DC fuses for the incoming solar line, and a 16 ampere AC fuse for the 220 volt line going to the mobile home. The backbone of the system is run at 24 volts. This allows relative ease replacement of batteries or parts. As power storage, a 24 volt depp-cycle lead acid gel battery with 360 ampere hours and a C5 rating is used. These batteries are commonly used in forklifts. Gel, instead of water as electrolyte, increases the resistance to cold conditions. The last remaining system on the list is water. Being one of the absolute fundamentals of life, it is quite important to have around. To source water, a simple rainwater collection system has been installed. A small pump provides pressure to run the system. To get warm water into the shower, a tankless heater that uses butane is set up. These heaters are quite efficient, but there's also other options available to heat your water. A mobile home setup like this project can be an easy and smooth start into off-grid life. While not necessarily the best solution for a bigger family, it does provide a comfortable living space for singles or pairs who wish to get away from the noise and pollution of city life. If you enjoyed this content, take a few clicks and subscribe to keep up to date with future videos. With that, wish you all a great day and make it count.